Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add accessory items in cross-selling manually. Copy the order number. Log into the backend and search the order. Now go to Cross-Selling tab. Search the item and add item. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.